I just made $593 doing TikTok clipping on November 26th, and on November 25th, I made $297. I've been monetized doing TikTok clipping since May, and this is by far my best 2-day stretch. And as you can see right here, the last 2 days analytics have been insane. On November 25th, we pulled 438,000 views. And on November 26th, we pulled over 2 million. And these are the total analytics right here. 2.6 million video views, 31,000 profile views, 130,000 likes, 7,000 comments, and 8,000 shares. And what we'd love to see right here, the majority of the views are coming from the For You page. So that means that is a better chance to get money, because for an eligible video to be qualified, you have to have that video pop up on your For You page. So that is great to see right there. If you don't know, this is Caleb Hammer, and he does a show called Financial Audit, and it's extremely entertaining. But as you can see here, we have 91,000 qualified views, 936,000 qualified views, 265,000 qualified views, 8,000 qualified views, and so on and so forth. And this is by far my best stretch with earnings, and by far with the views: 297,000, 2.5 million, 490,000, 36,000, 26,000, 45,000, and some other videos are starting to pop off too. And believe it or not, before I posted these clips, I did have a really good feeling that these would go viral, and this is why. So the creator Caleb Hammer was hyping up this episode days before the episode was uploaded. He was saying this is the first time, I guess, has ever walked off a show, and he's saying the viewers are going to experience all these different types of emotions with anger, confusion, dumb, rage, blah blah blah, other words, and he's saying we're not going to be prepared. So this is definitely a good sign for viral videos, is with pulling with the viewers' emotions. So I knew these clips were going to be amazing. And this is the account right here, the Financial.Clipper. So if any of you think I'm scamming you guys, I am not. This account is legit. Go look it up for yourself, and if you do, make sure you hit that follow button. That'd be much appreciated. This is all legit, and anyone out there, if you want to do a side hustle, TikTok clipping is a great way to make extra money, but it does take time and patience. But if you're really into editing and all that stuff, I highly recommend trying this as a side hustle. And I'm actually editing a fun video at the moment for the account, and I'm going to show you guys right here. I am going to make some extra changes, but this is what I have so far. It's like a choose your character vibe, and I think this is actually a pretty funny video. I just need to change a few clips, but this is what I have so far.
Choose your character.
You're a little.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Take a moment. I'm sorry.
Got my broke done, but it was like 14,000. I just wanted to get it done in the springtime.
So I actually thought of this video yesterday of a choose your character vibe, because he has some pretty insane guests on there, and this guy I'm for sure gonna have. I think I'm gonna change around the clip for her. I'm gonna have her in there for sure. But I think I'm going to take out this lady right here and replace her with someone else. So I'm going to look on the TikTok page here, and I'm just going to scroll back and see what clips really went viral. And I'm going to put that as, I mean, her clip did go viral, but I think there's someone crazier than her, honestly. That clip went pretty well. There's got to be someone crazy from like a while ago, because his videos popped off for sure. That was a good stretch. That was a viral episode right there. There's got to be something. Oh, his was pretty good too. He had a couple viral moments. Oh, I have to do her. I have to do her because she was crazy. What was the most viral clip? Probably this one.
I am not of this earth. I am in human form.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Yes, we have to do this clip right here. So what we're going to do, because I actually have this deleted off of my PC, the file. So we're just going to go to Snaptic, and we can easily download that video to my PC, and then we can put it into Premiere Pro.
I am not of this earth. I am in human form.
Place that, place it right here, right when it clicks to the next one.
I am not of this earth. I am in human form.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
There is that background sound from the video, but it's honestly fine for the most part.
I am not of this earth. I am in human form.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
So we do have to replace her screenshots. I don't want to delete the wrong one. Okay, there's this one right here. So let's try to find a funny frame of her. We're just going to do this frame right here. What you can do here in Premiere, you can export the frame. I honestly think this video is going to go viral. I could be totally wrong. I just think it's an hilarious video. Alright, let's see what we have so far. I don't know how I feel about this clip of her yet. There's got to be something better, a funnier moment. There was a funny moment when she said, "I'm not disabled enough," which is like crazy to say. So to find that, we can just go to the transcript. I'm going to type in enough. Oh, here it is, right here.
I'm not disabled enough.
So I may do the disabled enough part, bring that over.
I'm not disabled enough.
This is a video that I'm not going to make money for. It's just something I'm doing for fun, just to hopefully pull in more views to the account. I just need to find some good moments of her, and then we should be all good to go with this clip.
That wasn't very nice.
That was a good moment from the episode for sure. Just enough time, hopefully, to where we could place it in here. I gotta remove her screenshot at the beginning, I just realized. Crop this down. Alright, let's see how this clip looks so far.
Choose your character.
You're a little. Okay.
I'm not disabled enough. That wasn't very nice.
I am not of this earth. I am in human form.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
I think this clip has potential. Obviously, it won't be monetized, but it's hilarious. If you guys watch Financial Audit, you'll get why I made this clip, and let me know which character you'll pick. But let's export this and post it onto TikTok now. And I'm not sure why. Sometimes PC does this. I uploaded the clip, and it just does not load at all, so it looks like I'm going to have to go to my phone to upload it, which is unfortunate, but we're going to go over to my phone and do that. So I'm going to make a description right here. Let's say, choose your character. And then we're going to do like Financial Audit Edition. And then for these videos, I typically just use these 3 hashtags. So we're good on that. Let's see what we want to make the title cover. I think that's really it. We could honestly post it right now, which I think I'll do. And the unfortunate part when you're uploading from your phone, from what at least I know, is that you cannot schedule a post. You have to do that on your PC. Sometimes the clips don't work when I try to schedule out on there. But for the most part, they do work. I'm just making sure this is all correct. Choose your character, Financial Audit Edition. This looks pretty good. I think I'm going to go and post this, and I will let you guys know in the comments down below what the views are at for a day from now, or if you just want to go check the account. I'm very interested to see how this clip will perform, and if it does do really well, then I'm going to do a part 2, but I'm going to make it to where it's 1 minute long, so obviously I can get monetized for it. But this is just to play around and see what this looks like, because it would be nice to venture out outside of Caleb Hammer podcast clips. They do really well, but I want to make my own fun content from his content. So yeah, let's see how this performs. If you're still watching this video, I really appreciate you. And if you are an aspiring clipper, or you are a clipper, I have a free Discord community in the description down below. I would really love if any of you join that. We give free value to each other and help each other out. So if you're interested in that, make sure you go join that Discord. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.